A rough 4x4 climb, a mysterious, tucked away blue jay alpine lake surrounded by meadows and peaks, and one bone-jarring hit we didn't realize had already cost us a tire. We got the views, but paid for them on the way out. Here's how it went down. It is October 12th, it's windy outside. We are at Bella Coola Harbor, and today we decided to go past Clayton Falls, which we showed you like a couple of weeks ago, and just explore the area past Clayton Falls. Let's see where we end up. To reach Blue Jay Lake, you take the Clayton Falls Forest Service Road. First rule, you need 4-wheel drive the whole way. Second rule, high clearance is mandatory past the Mount Foundry recreation site. The road leaves town steep, twisting through forest before opening up into alpine country. Our hood cam caught everything. Tires grinding on gravel, puddles exploding under the truck, and those drops where you're just hoping the brakes don't fade. The last 5 kilometers get seriously rough. If you ever drive this road, drop your tire pressure, better traction, softer ride, less punishment on the suspension. It is too windy for the drone to fly, but we really want to film that glacier on top. So we're gonna grab another camera with a big zoom and see if we can get some footage of that nice glacier. Sorry for the wind. But when you finally roll in, Blue Jay Lake hits you right away. Calm water, surrounded by wetlands, meadows, and patches of subalpine trees. From up high, you can see the coast mountains, glacier ice off in the distance, and both arms of the Bentinck Fjords stretching towards the ocean. And the best part? Free rustic campsites right by the water. Just show up and settle in. We explored, got the shots, chilled by the lake, then started heading back down. And that's when the trip turned. I was easy on the brakes to keep them cool and missed a sneaky dip lined with rocks. We hit it hard. The whole truck shuddered, felt like a punch to the ribs. Seemed fine at first, so we kept rolling. But when we got back to camp, the tire pressure was slowly bleeding out. Next morning, totally flat. So we are there with Jack, holding the spare, tools everywhere, greasy hands, sore backs, still laughing. Because if you can't deal with stuff like this, you probably shouldn't be on roads like these. So what's the takeaway? Blue Jay Lake is worth it, but bring a spare, a compressor, and take it easy on the downhill. We learned that one. Got a breakdown story like this? Drop it in the comments. Hit like, subscribe for more real trips, no sugarcoating, just adventure, and we'll see you next time.